duration of this broadcast, and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming. Looking elsewhere around 10 a.m., Chicago was cloudy and 40. Indianapolis was cloudy and 42. St. Louis was cloudy and 47. Kansas City was cloudy and 39.